Everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil, and in today's video we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. X squared minus 2x minus 9 equals 0. One solution to the given equation can be written as 1 plus the square root of k, where k is a constant number. What is the value of k? As you can see, this is a quadratic equation because the power of x is 2, and we have one solution of this equation, which is 1 plus the square root of k. When you substitute the value of x in the equation, it should satisfy the equation. So the only thing that you should do is to substitute 1 plus the square root of k for x in this equation. Okay, so you can rewrite the equation x squared minus 2x minus 9 equals 0, and this is the value of x. So 1 plus the square root of k squared minus 2 times 1 plus the square root of k minus 9 equals 0. And now you just need to simplify this equation, and the only unknown is k, and solve for k. Before solving this, you should know that this is a perfect square. And according to this, a plus b squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, and a is 1 here, and b is a square root of k. So 1 squared is 1, the square root of k squared plus 2 times 1 times the square root of k minus 2 times 1 plus the square root of k minus 9 is 0. 1, the square root of k squared is k. 2 times 1 times the square root of k is 2 times the square root of k. And for this one, when you have negative 2 in front of a parenthesis, according to distributive law, you should multiply negative 2 by all terms inside the parentheses. Negative 2 times 1 and negative 2 times the square root of k. And minus 9 equals 0. And now you just need to collect like terms. 1 and negative 2 and negative 9 gives you negative 10. 2 square root of k and negative 2 square root of k cancel out because the sum of them would be 0, and positive k equals to 0. And if you add positive 10 to both sides of the equation, k would be positive 10. This is the answer of this question, and it is the value of k, which is choice B. See you in next video. Bye bye.